Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone, your ultimate destination for deep dives into the latest in camera technology, photography tools, and future-ready innovations. Today, we're taking a detailed look at one of the most anticipated mirrorless camera releases on the horizon, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Buckle up, because what Canon is reportedly packing into this camera could redefine expectations for both professional photographers and hybrid video creators. Canon EOS R6 Mark III, a hybrid shooter's dream. Canon has been dominating the mirrorless camera landscape with consistent innovation, and it looks like the EOS R6 Mark III is set to continue that trend. According to multiple leaks and trusted sources in the imaging world, the upcoming R6 Mark III will blend the strengths of its predecessors with some jaw-dropping upgrades, designed specifically for hybrid shooters who demand both high-quality stills and advanced video performance. Let's break it down. Here's what you need to know. A new sensor with enhanced performance. One of the standout rumors about the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is a brand new sensor. We're likely looking at a full-frame CMOS sensor, but this time with improved resolution, possibly in the range of 30 to 36 megapixels, compared to the 20.1 megapixel sensor in the R6 Mark II. This significant bump would make the R6 Mark III a stronger competitor in both professional photography and video production circles, offering sharper details, more dynamic range, and better low-light capabilities. For content creators, wedding photographers, landscape shooters, and those in commercial photography, this upgraded resolution will be a game-changer. Canon's Digic X processor, but better? Another expected update is a refreshed version of Canon's renowned Digic X image processor, which could be optimized further to handle the higher resolution sensor with ease. That means faster autofocus, better subject tracking using deep learning, AI, and reduced rolling shutter when shooting video or high-speed stills. Expect this powerhouse to support burst shooting speeds upwards of 40 FPS with the electronic shutter, and potentially around 12-14 FPS mechanically perfect for action photography and fast-paced sports events. K video and internal RAW? Yes, please. Canon has been flirting with 8K video capabilities since the EOS R5, and the R6 Mark III might take it a step further. Leaks suggest the camera could include 8K 30p internal recording, along with 4K at 120 FPS, making it ideal for cinematic slow-motion footage and professional filmmaking workflows. Internal 10-bit Canon Log 3, HDR-PQ, and possibly even internal RAW video recording could be on the table. This places the R6 Mark III in direct competition with Sony's FX30 and Panasonic's S5 IIX, and makes it a top contender for hybrid creators, YouTubers, and videographers who want one camera that does it all. Autofocus that rivals the best Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is already one of the best autofocus systems in the industry. The R6 Mark III is expected to push it further by integrating advanced AI-based subject recognition, capable of tracking eyes, animals, vehicles, and potentially even birds in flight with even greater accuracy. In fast-moving environments, whether you're shooting motorsports, wildlife, or candid street photography, this autofocus system is designed to lock on and hold. Better IBIS and body design refinements. Another expected upgrade is an enhanced in-body image stabilization system, likely offering up to 8 stops of compensation. Combine that with Canon's stabilized RF lenses, and you've got buttery smooth handheld shots that look like they were done on a gimbal. Ergonomically, rumors suggest the body design may feature a deeper grip, more intuitive controls, and a refreshed LCD layout, making it more comfortable for long shoots. Whether you're vlogging or capturing an entire wedding, connectivity and workflow in 2025, no camera is complete without robust connectivity. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to feature dual card slots, USB-C for fast file transfer, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Rumors also hint at native cloud integration via Canon's Canon platform for seamless backup and file syncing. This means smoother workflows for professionals who need to shoot, edit, and deliver content on the go. What about the price and release date? As for pricing, early estimates put the Canon EOS R6 Mark III somewhere in the $2,800 to $3,200 USD range. That would make it an appealing choice for serious hobbyists, advanced amateurs, and professionals who need a versatile camera system without. Entering R5 territory, Canon hasn't officially announced a launch date, but insiders suggest a reveal could happen as early as Q4 2025, possibly aligning with Photokina or CP+ Japan. Should you upgrade? If you're already using the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, you may be wondering whether an upgrade is worth it. If these specs are accurate, the answer could be yes, especially if you're pushing into higher-end video production or need more resolution for large-scale print work. But even for those currently on older Canon bodies like the R6 or even the EOS RP, the R6 Mark III might be the perfect all-around camera to future-proof your gear setup. Final thoughts: the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most well-balanced and powerful mirrorless cameras ever released by Canon. With hybrid creators, professional photographers, and videographers in mind, it delivers top-tier performance across the board: sensor upgrades, 8K video, improved AF, and strong build quality. As always, stay tuned for real-world, hands-on impressions and official specs as soon as Canon makes the announcement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest in camera leaks, gear reviews, and deep tech dives.